Hey everybody, it's your dynamic duo.
And we're out in the wild.
We are road tripping a little bit this morning. Wasn't too far from the shop.
No, pretty close.
But we have a little bit something special to share with you this morning. We have to get a little bit of equipment out of the car and then we'll show you. Okay, hold tight. Hey everybody, it's MK and Ellen, your dynamic duo. Here we are outside, we're talking loudly.
Yes, we're in the wild with many cars driving by, one of the busiest roads here.
Yes, so our locals will know we're just right on US Highway 19. Basically, it's one of the only main north and south thoroughfares through the county. But we're here braving it because look it. So how exciting for us. It's a day of firsts, another first here, our very first Billboard. So Ellen, good.
Like we're going to do it again.
We might. You know, we start on US 19 and then maybe we, whatever.
Right.
We got to talk to Mr. MK about that. But Ellen, good job on the artwork. It looks wonderful.
We hope we gather lots and lots of people, like a quilt shop. Ooh, let's go.
Yeah, so really we're putting a big push on marketing right now because we are going to be doing all Florida Shop Hop after the first of the year. It's before the holidays right now, so we want to get people into the shop, and this is just one way to do it. So we're pretty thrilled about it. I know I am anyways.
I never imagined in my quilting life to be on a billboard.
And Ellen, how tall did you say, like all things considered?
Oh, it was 10 foot?
Like we're 10 feet tall up there?
I think we're 10 feet tall. I think we're 10 feet tall.
So that's 2 of me tall.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. Well, we're parked in a spot over here, and I parked right in front of a, what did it say, like no?
Tow away
zone. But anyways, so it's another special day too. It's my birthday today.
Yay.
So this is a really awesome birthday present for me. So Ellen, thank you for the artwork. Thank you for coordinating with the marketing firm, however you did that.
Yeah, that was fun. Never did that before.
Yeah. So the other big thing is tomorrow, Ellen and I are leaving on a jet plane. We are super excited to be heading to Houston Quilt Market tomorrow. I'm going to meet Ellen at the airport in the morning and we're off. We're off to just experience all things Houston and market and come back with hopefully some new ideas, new products for the shop.
Lots of new things.
Yeah, so we've got some appointments with reps down there and basically we're just going to take it in.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a loud one.
Well, it was huge.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks for letting us share this moment with you. Ellen and I are going to go grab some lunch. We're going to take some pictures out here in front of our sign. So yeah, if you're watching this and you're local, please share this around with your Quilt Guild buddies, your sewing group buddies, your Quilt of Valor buddies, anybody that you think would be interested, who you think may not know about MK Quilts, and shoot them this video, shoot them up to the shop. We've really done a lot of work at the shop. We got a lot of new fabrics.
Lots of new fabrics. We have a new batik wall. We've got lots of new fabric and even more coming. I was going through everything today because we're going to market. Like I need to have it in my head of what we already have coming. It's like, oh my God, there's so much coming.
Yes, so you need to come, you need to shop, and we appreciate it. All right, that's all we got for you from US 19 to you. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.